Today I am making a very delicious breakfast sandwich. So to make breakfast sandwich we need to add spices as per taste, 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, 1 sausage, corn kernels 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon spring onion and half tablespoon green chili. So let's get started. Now mix it well. Now we add spices. Now mix it well. Okay, it's done. Now we add spring onion and green chili. Now again mix it well. Okay, it's done. Okay, now it's time to make sandwich. Now take a bread and separate the edges of the bread with the help of pizza cutter. Okay, it's done. Okay, so here we separate the edges of the bread. So first we put 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. So first we put the edges of the bread, and then we put our egg mixture in it. Now cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. So at this stage, we put sausages. Okay, and now we put corn kernels in it. Now we are going to put the slice of cheese. And now cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, it's done.